Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make incredibly juicy brownies. The secret lies in a few key techniques and ingredient choices. We'll cover everything from selecting the right components to mastering the baking process. Get ready to transform your brownie baking and create treats that are rich, dense, and perfectly moist every single time. Let's dive into the delicious details. The foundation of a juicy brownie starts with your ingredients. Opt for high-quality dark chocolate, around 70% cocoa, for a deep flavor. Melted butter is crucial for moisture, and a little extra oil can enhance that fudgy texture. Room temperature eggs ensure a smooth batter, and using brown sugar instead of all-white sugar adds a lovely chewiness and extra moisture. These choices make a big difference. Mixing and baking techniques are vital for that perfect juicy texture. First, beat your melted butter, sugars, eggs, and vanilla for about 5 minutes until thick and glossy. When adding dry ingredients like flour and cocoa, fold them in gently. Overmixing leads to tough brownies. Bake in a metal pan at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 37 minutes. A toothpick inserted should come out with moist crumbs, indicating a fudgy center. The final steps are just as important for maintaining juiciness. After baking, let your brownies cool in the pan for 10 to 20 minutes. Then, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely, which usually takes 1 to 2 hours. For the absolute fudgiest results and clean cuts, consider chilling them in the refrigerator overnight. Store your delicious brownies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days to keep them fresh and moist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.